Are you leaving machining capacity on the table? That's the theme of the webinar we are organizing together with Siemens on 7th of May at 2 p.m. In the webinar, we will be talking about how high-performing machining teams are optimizing their machining processes. One of the panelists is Dr. Gareth from AML Sheffield, who is the managing director of the company. Gareth, can you give us some snippets from what you will be sharing in the webinar with us?
Yeah, so if everyone comes down to the webinar and they can hear all about AML success that we've had by reshoring aerospace components from low-cost supply chains back to the UK to be machined here at AML.
Yeah, that will be great. And in addition to Gareth, we'll also have Sam Turner from AMIC. He's the CEO of AMIC Institute. And as well as Armin Gruenewald, who is the Vice President in Siemens company. So we are looking forward to sharing you what we have done and what we can do for you in this seminar. Looking forward to you on 7th of May at 2 p.m. See you there.
See you there.